Can you just introduce yourself, your name and where you're from?
Yeah. So my name is Cristiano, and I'm an Italian chap from Ascoli Piceno, which is a town in the central Italy. I'm one of the founders of PickyWops.
My name is Andrea. I'm coming from Lecce, and I am one of the founders of PickyWops too.
I went into the restaurant business when I was 16, so almost 20 years ago. So I've been doing basically studying and different summer works, basically.
And my previous experience of PickyWops is like being with my uncle doing summer experience in a restaurant, and then I've been studying after my school in an academy of academy of professional pizza chef.
Pretty much is more than an interest, is a passion. I grew up with my grandmother, so my grandmothers, both of them, and so I have a very big influence from them, especially for traditional Italian food, especially from my hometown. So they transmitted to me.
I love so much cooking because I start to cook alone for myself since when I was very young, so I really love food for that reason.
I didn't have any formal training. My training has been on the field. As I said, I opened my first pizza when I was 16, and here we go, 20 years.
I have just a bit of experience with my uncle restaurants, and then I've been studied to a professional pizza chef association.
Exactly before PickyWops, I was running as a head chef and executive barbecue restaurant in South London, which became one of the best, one of the top 10 best barbecue restaurants in the whole country. And my experience has been actually my education in the field, let's say. So I knew that would be very difficult, but obviously passion obviously pushed me to pursue that dream. So it's been a dream for me.
I was sure that we were doing something good because studying at this school, we learn so many new things, alternative things that I never seen in any pizza shop before. And when I met Cristiano, I saw what guy it is, and then I said, yeah, it's gonna be good.
I thought that the easiest bit would be creative, so create dishes and manage the marketing side, because that's what I've been studying at school. Well, the hardest bit as a head chef, so I had people under me, it's always been staff. So find the right person to put in the position that you needed. So staffing for me was from the beginning the thing that I thought that would be the most difficult, definitely.
I thought they would be very easy, the cooking side, because I love cooking and everything. Before to start, I thought it would be very hard to manage people, as Cristiano said, the staff part, because I never managed anyone before, so that.
On my head, opening a restaurant, there are a series of very important factors, but looking at them, you need to compromise. So probably the ranking of important things, it changed along the time, and I think the most important thing would have been consistency. So try to create a system where the food would be always the same, and always the same quality, always the same outcome. So definitely consistency more than location or finances, and because this is things that you can always find elsewhere. But consistency, obviously, product development is the most important thing.
I thought was very important the location side, also the location side, and but mostly the quality of the food. You have to have a very good quality product, and you can be anywhere. People will come anyway.
Okay, back in the day, before we started, obviously open my own place was my dream since I was a kid, and definitely try to bring an amazing product and keep the quality always on top. That was the dream, and offer to the London market a completely different concept about pizza. So like just to change the concept, or you can have a very healthy pizza, so it's not always the junk food that everyone is picturing. So just change the conception of eating pizza, basically.
We really wanted to open a new restaurant with all this amazing new flour that we have, as Cristiano said, and yes, to offer this opportunity to the people in UK as well to try all these alternative flour, because we use turmeric, hemp, multigrain, all these things that you don't find anywhere. So yeah, this alternativity.
So we had a business plan, but we decided to do it in as the let's say the smartest way as possible.
Yeah, we made the business plan, as you said, like in a way that we been able to be able to do it without any problem or without much problems.